That first Monday after the time change is so brutal. Mondays are hard anyways, but after we lose an hour of sleep in the morning, it's rough. What you playing? Kinley, go potty.
No.
Yes.
No. No, 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 no.
Yes, 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 yes. Hey, get over here. Get over here. She locked me in, little turd. Hey, time to go potty. Kinley. In the south, instead of snowstorms, you get pollen storms. Wait, what? We have what?
We have 5 scores.
5 goals? You got bugs on you.
I am.
They're all in your hair. Ew. Is the wind blowing in your hair? Is the wind blowing in your hair? Hey, Paisley.
Look, hi.
You say hi? Sadie and Tyson just finished their second soccer game. They did a great job. Sadie scored a goal and Tyson touched the ball. Huh, buddy? Yeah.
I really did.
Yeah, you really did. Now we're gonna head over to Henry's. I'm gonna watch The Bachelor.
This say Henry's house.
Henry's house. I'm gonna watch The Bachelor with my friends, and they're gonna go to sleep in Henry's guest room. So you guys are gonna go to bed, right?